Hey everybody, just a quick video. I wanted to highlight a tool here. So I have here an old Pace soldering station. It's a MBT Sensitem soldering station, and it has the SX80 handpiece for it. So what this is a desoldering tool. It has a giant soldering tip here. Focus, you fuck. And the soldering tip has a hole down the center of it. And when you push this button on the side of the handpiece, the soldering station sucks air and sucks the solder through that hole off of whatever you're working on. This is great for through-hole stuff. So what I'm working on here is, this is a aftermarket engine control module, and the USB connector here is broken. So I have to change this USB connector, so I have to take the board out. This giant connector here is not letting me take the board out, so I have to desolder all of these pins for this connector to take this board out. So I just got this this station out of storage. I've had it for a while, and it's being endlessly useful now. So if I go to these pins over here, you just put it down on the pin, let it heat up, push the button, wiggle it around, boom, unsoldered. Completely unsoldered. Some of them aren't being completely unsoldered. I'm gonna have to add some leaded solder and redo them, but most of them just heat it up, suck the solder off, wiggle it around a little bit. That one's not coming off. This one was something special. This had a big diode soldered to it. So yeah, that one's gonna need a little bit more work. Absolutely amazing. So if you work on through-hole stuff, one of these is the way to go. Absolutely spectacular. You can find them on eBay for pretty cheap. They're not exactly really cheap, but if you work on this stuff a lot, it's such a game changer. Okay, so now after using our Pace soldering station, the connector is completely desoldered. I didn't have to use any wick. It was absolutely wonderful. Didn't have to use any wick at all. And as you can see with this, there was no way of taking this out from the other side. It's all siliconed in. So this is the way you had to take this out so that we can change this USB port for a new one, which is hard to get. It's either from European Union somewhere, or Germany, or India. It's manufactured in India. That's it for now.